Today I'm going to show you how to fix a slow draining bathroom sink and get it unclogged the right way. This is a super common problem in a lot of homes, but the good news is it's not hard to fix, and you don't need a plumber for this one. So let's get started. Before we do anything, you need to understand what's under your sink. This pipe right here coming down from the sink is your drain. This curved section is called the P-trap, or honestly, it looks more like a U-trap. The reason it's shaped like this is simple. It holds water. That water acts as a seal, so sewer gas can't come back up into your bathroom. That's why there's always water sitting in this trap. Step 1. Prep the area. Grab a small bucket or a Tupperware container and place it directly under the P-trap. It's also a good idea to put a towel down. Things can get messy. Step 2. Remove the P-trap. Loosen the slip nut at the top of the P-trap, and then the one at the bottom. Most of the time you can do this by hand, but if it's tight, use a pair of channel locks. Once those nuts are loose, water will drain out. This is normal. When the water slows down, remove the P-trap completely. And I can almost guarantee what you're about to see. Yep, full of muck, hair, and gunk. Dump it into your container and tap it out. You can also pull the debris out by hand if needed. Step 3. Check the pop-up stopper area. A lot of clogs don't just sit in the P-trap. They build up higher, right where the pop-up stopper is. On the back of the drain pipe, you'll see a pivot arm. This rod controls the stopper, and hair loves to wrap around it. Loosen this nut, pull the pivot arm out, and inspect it. If it's covered in goop, and it usually is, you found part of the problem. Now, pull the stopper straight up from the sink. And yeah, that's nasty. This confirms there's a clog sitting right inside the drain. Step 4. Clear the drain. This is where a zip-it tool comes in handy. They cost about $3 and work great for bathroom sinks. With your bucket still underneath, feed the zip-it down into the drain and work it around. Pull out slowly and remove all that built-up hair and gunk. If you have one, you can also use a drain auger. Feed it down the drain until you feel resistance. Then spin it to grab the clog and pull it out. Here's a pro tip. Take a paper towel, push it down to the drain, and use the snake to push it all the way through. This helps clean residue off the inside walls of the pipe. Look at this stuff. No wonder the sink was draining slow. Step 5. Clean the wall pipe. Since everything is already apart, go one step further. Stick your zip-it or auger into the wall pipe and see if you pull anything out. If you hit resistance, spin the auger and pull it back slowly. You'd be surprised how much junk can build up right there. Step 6. Final cleaning. Wipe down the P-trap, the gooseneck section, the pivot arm, the pop-up stopper. This is your chance to get everything completely clean before reassembly. Step 7. Reassemble the drain. Slide the gooseneck back into the wall and make sure the washer is seated flush. Hand tighten the slip nut, but don't crank it down yet. Position the P-trap under the sink drain, hand tighten both slip nuts, and make sure everything lines up correctly. Once aligned, give each nut about a quarter turn with channel locks, no more than that. Reinstall the pop-up stopper and pivot arm. Hand tighten the nut, then give it another quarter to half turn with pliers. Step 8. Test for leaks. Turn the water on and let it run for a minute or 2. Check both P-trap connections, the wall connection, the pivot arm nut. If everything is dry, you're good to go. And check this out. The sink is draining perfectly again. And that's it. That's how you fix a slow draining bathroom sink and clear the clog the right way. If this video helped you out, give a thumbs up. If you got a question, drop in the comments. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to check out FialFit DIY for more home repair tips that save you time and money. Thanks for watching.